Singapore's Foreign Minister Vivian Balakrishnan says the next 3 weeks is a crucial period to determine if the COVID-19 outbreak is truly under control. His statement comes after ASEAN and China's ministers held emergency talks on the epidemic in Laos today.
Mr. Balakrishnan stressed that existing preventive and control measures must continue to ensure long-term sustainability in combating the virus. Mei Wong has more.
In a highly mobile and hyper-connected world today, it's inevitable that the COVID-19 virus is causing a profound impact across various nations. Within ASEAN alone, about 50 million people travel every year. Singapore, for example, is home to 4 of the 10 busiest air routes in the region, and although China is reporting fewer new cases domestically, it doesn't mean the danger is over. Singapore's Foreign Minister Vivian Balakrishnan says coordinated and coherent actions are necessary to cope with the COVID-19 challenges.
If the cases remain confined to clusters, like what we have now, and you don't see further evidence of widespread community transmission, that'll be positive. But if on the other hand, you see across Northeast Asia and Southeast Asia widespread community transmission, then you know you are in a completely different phase of what I believe may become a global pandemic. So we have to watch very carefully what happens.
There are more than 75,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases so far, with more than 2,000 deaths. But some critics have questioned if these numbers are accurate. But Dr. Balakrishnan does not want to engage in finger-pointing on lapses, saying this is the time to be open, transparent, decisive, cooperative, constructive, given especially the diversity in the sophistication of healthcare systems within Southeast Asia itself. At the special ASEAN-China meeting in Laos on tackling the coronavirus, the Southeast Asian grouping showcased its solidarity with this.
Stay strong, China. Stay strong, China. Stay strong, ASEAN. Stay strong, ASEAN. Thank you very much.
China's foreign minister acknowledged the support and encouragement the regional countries have given Beijing as both sides pledge to work on extending collaboration, especially in the public health sector. Minister Wang Yi revealed plans to hold an ASEAN-China leaders meeting and emphasized the importance of a rebound in economic activities between the region and China.
中国和东盟情同手足，命运与共。面对疫情，加强团结、深化合作是唯一正确的选择。恐慌比病毒更可怕，信心比黄金更重要。
The special meeting enabled the regional ministers to have a timely, candid and comprehensive discussion with China. All of the countries acknowledge that Beijing is working hard to control and prevent the spread of this virus. They also recognize the seriousness of this epidemic, agreeing that only with further cooperation and coordination can they win the battle against this virus. Mei Wong, CNA, Vientiane, Laos.